Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. More technology being put to work in the battle against COVID-19. A company called Digital Aerolus has developed a commercial drone equipped with powerful UVC lights designed to disinfect everything from hospital rooms to aircraft and offices. Director of Product and Business Development Jameson Huckaba says, while the price tag is $27,000, the company is not looking to profit from the Aertos 120 UVC drone, which uses spaceflight type mathematics to maintain stability in nearly all environments.
We're really trying to make people's jobs easier and safer, and it really has the added benefit of saving tremendous time and money.
There's more info, including a video demo, at Digital Aerolus, Aerolus.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. Listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C. Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C. Crane.